When it comes to water, it's amazing how everything is interconnected. It's no different when it comes to civil site work, dewatering, and water treatment related to CCR ash pond closure projects. Upstream site activities are highly dependent on the efficiencies of downstream site activities. Think about how dependent a site civil contractor is on a dewatering system's performance when trying to excavate millions of tons of coal ash. Similarly, the dewatering contractor depends on water treatment system performance in order to achieve dewatering productivity objectives, such as keeping the ash dry during excavation. A bottleneck in either of the downstream site activities will impact not only the cost of that activity, but will also negatively affect the cost and schedule of each upstream activity. If a water treatment system is realizing only a fraction of its discharge capacity, then the cost of labor per discharged gallon increases significantly, in inverse correlation to flow rate, and the cost impact to the dewatering contractor and site civil contractor are orders of magnitude greater. A utility client awarded 3 separate contracts for their CCR pond closure project to a site civil contractor, a dewatering contractor, and a water treatment system contractor. Because each contractor was responsible for their own scope of work and operated independently, each focused on the specific requirements and milestones. Over the course of this multi-year, multi-billion gallon project, the dewatering contractor would send water to the treatment system with total suspended solid concentrations in excess of the influent specifications. During high TSS periods, it was not uncommon for the 1500 GPM treatment system to be reduced to flows between 600 and 800 GPM, and even shut down for increased maintenance. The non-conforming influent increased treatment costs and discharge compliance risk. Chemical usage and labor cost per discharge gallon increased significantly, as did the quantity of bag and cartridge filters consumed. Waste disposal costs also increased. The result was that all the parties, client, civil contractor, dewatering contractor, and water treatment contractor, realized a significant increase in cost due to delays and productivity decline, ultimately extending project completion. All of this could have been avoided if dewatering and treatment had been executed under a single contractor. Groundwater Treatment and Technology provides a total water management solutions approach to CCR ash pond dewatering and treatment projects. We deliver a guaranteed turnkey solution including bench and pilot testing, system engineering and design, equipment fabrication, system installation, startup and commissioning, and operation and maintenance. Following GWTT's Quality Management System and Health and Safety Program, our experienced program management team will manage the execution of every phase of the project. We have treated and compliantly discharged more than 2 billion gallons of CCR site pond water. To get started on solving your CCR pond closure challenges, give us a call or send us an email.